Hello guys! Happy Wednesday to everyone! Today guys, gagawa ako ng aming dinner for tonight. Samahan niyo ako guys, mag-grilled chicken ako and a fish soup with bok choy vegetable. Tara guys! Umpisahan na natin. Ito ang aming dinner for tonight. Unahin na natin yung chicken. Ito yung chicken namin guys. Whole chicken. Imamarinate ko lang siya sa concentrated chicken stock. And then, meron tayong mixed herb. Gagamit ako ng rosemary. Ayan, rosemary. Then, butter. Yan yung kanyang mga ingredients guys. And then, spring onion. Wala akong lemon guys, so re-replacean ko siya ng spring onion. Yes. And then, itong soup ko guys, yung fish ko iyan. Dalawang fish. Yeah. Tapos ito yung vegetable ko guys, bok choy vegetable. Tofu. Pwede rin yung firm tofu, pwede rin yung steam, pang steam. And then, ginger. Then, meron akong cornstarch. Ano guys? Tara guys, umpisahan na natin. Unahin natin itong chicken guys. Kasi imamarinate natin siya ng 30 minutes lang. Okay guys, ipapat muna natin ang ating whole chicken. Ayan. Ilalagay ko na spring onion sa loob. Okay guys, i-melt natin itong butter in 15 minutes sa microwave. Okay guys, ayun na. Melted na siya. Then, isi-set aside natin. I use rosemary guys. Then we use a brush. Okay guys. Okay guys, next is fish. Lagyan natin siya ng asin. cornstarch, guys. Okay, nagpakulo na tayo ng tubig. Let's wait until na mag-boil na siya. Saka natin ilagay yung ginger. Okay na guys, after 30 minutes pwede na natin i-grilled. So iset natin siya sa fast grilling. And then 230 degree. Tara guys, ilalagay na natin siya. Guys. Okay guys, ipa-fry na natin ang ating fish. So maglagay tayo ng kaunting mantika. Then lagay natin siya sa slice of ginger, nakalimutan natin lagyan ng ating dark soy sauce. So, lagyan natin ito ng dark soy sauce para medyo makulay ang ating chicken. Okay guys, our soup is ready and we add a little bit of salt para magkaroon siya ng taste. And then, and it's ready to serve na guys. Okay guys, our soup is done and ready to serve na. Okay guys, our chicken is ready and ika-cut na natin. chicken, guys. Very tasty. Ito na rin ang ating soup. Ayan, ready to serve na. Tara guys, let's eat our dinner. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comments, and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.